What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and I wanted to show you guys two of the mini lots I got in today. So check it out, guys. We got some PS4 games here. We got some Xbox games here, and as you can see, all brand new. As you can see, the Xbox seal right there, so you can tell they aren't rewrapped or anything like that. You know, they're all 100% brand new. You know, we don't sell used video games. That's just personally, I don't, because I mean, it's just not worth it in my opinion. But you see, look at all of those guys, right? Then, you know, we got another PS4 game here. We got some more here, some more DS games and stuff. You see, all brand new. You know, and again, like, paying like $3 for them, and then, you know, selling them for literally like 20-30 bucks in profit each game. Like, that's just ridiculous. So my goal is to get about 100 games in every single week. That way, literally anytime I get a sales, you know, it's just like I know it's a video game. Like, that's to the point where I'm trying to get it to right now. And now that I've been doing the lots for so long, well, not so long, but you know, it's been about a good 2 weeks now. I get a lot or 2 or 3 every single day. Like today, I've gotten 4 so far. This is just, you know, 2 of them right here. I got about 70 video games to send in. So yeah, guys, this is about to be real good, you know. So hopefully you guys take advantage of the training and the Land Shark profits while it's still open. There's a link to it down below, but that is pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any questions, simply drop it down below.